Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Pindutan. 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 Meaning keyboard. Malunggay. 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 Meaning horseradish. Dati. 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 Meaning before. Laso. 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 Meaning ribbon. Pamilya. 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 Meaning family. Pakiramdam. 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 Meaning feeling. Bundok. 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 Meaning mountain. Patag. 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 Meaning flat or level. This one is the opposite of unfair. Patas. 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 Meaning fair. Ukay-ukay. Ukay. Ukay. Ukay-ukay. Meaning thrift. Mura. 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 Meaning inexpensive or curse. Kapamilya. 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 Meaning a family member. Kaano-ano. 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 Meaning a relative. Tamad. 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 Meaning lazy. Kaso. 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 Meaning case or but. Pamangkin. 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 Meaning niece or nephew. Inaanak. 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 Meaning godchild. Kailan. 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 Meaning when. Paano. 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 Meaning how. Pintuan. 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 Meaning door. Tuhod. 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 Meaning knee. Kapangalan. 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 Meaning same name or someone with the same name. Imbento. 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 Meaning invented. Chismis. 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 Meaning gossip. Madrama. 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 Meaning dramatic. Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!